Phishing is a cyber attack tricking people into revealing personal information. Attackers often impersonate trusted sources, like banks or coworkers. Phishing messages usually urge victims to click malicious links or attachments. These links can steal passwords or install harmful software on devices. A successful phishing attack can lead to big financial losses. It can also damage an organization's reputation and trust with others. Often, phishing emails look very convincing and official. Victims might unknowingly share sensitive data, like login credentials. Phishing can affect both professional and personal digital lives. Falling for phishing can expose private information to criminals. Always double-check email sender's address and language for clues. Be wary of urgent or threatening requests in emails or messages. Legitimate companies rarely ask for passwords or sensitive details via email. Report suspicious messages to your IT or security team immediately. Staying alert and informed is the best defense against phishing.